not free. Limpopo pig farmer murders. PAC calls for the farm to be confiscated. The Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania, like the EFF, has already issued the similar statement. The Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania, PAC, has called on the Department of Land Reform and other state organs to consider the possibility of expropriating the farm where two women were murdered and alleged fed to pigs. So cruel. That's a cruelty on Africans. It's not about race. It's not a race card. It is a wrong and error. The PAC's Secretary General Apa has called on Land Reform and Rural Development Minister Mzwanele Nyonzo, who is PAC president, to look into possibility of taking control, or rather expropriating the farmland of alleged murderer Zachariah Johannes Olivia, supposedly the owner of the farmer. And Olivia and his farm supervisor, Adrian Radolf de Vat, and a farm employee, which puzzles many. There are many questions on that. Not that there is a justification. There is no justification in murderers. He is as guilty as all of them, which means there are two white South Africans and one black Zimbabwean, which is not a question or a justification. He is as guilty as charged if he is found guilty by the law. The three men are accused of killing Maria Makgato, age 47, from Limpopo, South Africa, and Lucia Ndlovu, who was 34 years old from Zimbabwe. Makgato Ndlovu and her husband went to Limpopo farm where they were alleged shot. Only the husband survived the incident. According to the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, the victims came to farm on August 17th just to try to get something to eat on something that is dumped, because after they had heard that a Clover truck had dumped alleged expired or soon to expire goods. 3 suspects alleged dump the 2 women bodies into the farm pig store. These are the very same pigs that South Africans and are buying, are consuming. Myself, as Sihle Mtshali Wakwa Ndlovu, I've taken a decision that I'm not going to eat pig